What's up, y'all? It's Gabby and I'm back with another banger video. So this time, you guys, I'm doing a review for y'all. I actually saw this young lady waxing, and I actually sugar wax at home. I usually just wax like my chin, and pretty much that's it. But it gets kind of annoying trying to like make that wax at home and like getting the consistency right and all that stuff. So I just decided to go ahead and get me some wax and a wax warmer off of Amazon. They do have different types, different prices and everything, but today I will be reviewing the Femiro, I think that's how you pronounce it, wax warmer. I did just open it just now, and this is the box that it came in. It was about $50 on Amazon. It does come with some sticks to apply wax with, so it comes with some big sticks as well as some smaller wooden sticks. It comes with this, with a dial, a top, and a bowl that you can take out. And then it comes with 4 different wax types, different colors. There's a pink, a cream, a blue, and a black. And I think, so since today I'll be doing my chin as well as my armpits, and I think I'll need the pink one. So it says like the pink one is for armpits, arms, legs, feet, ankles, upper lips. And then the yellow one is for more sensitive areas like bikini, for the bikini area. And then the black one is for eyebrow waxing and facial. And then it doesn't really say what the blue one is for. It says that it's a new blackberry wax to minimize discomfort. So I honestly don't think it matters which one you use, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do the pink one since I'm doing my armpits, and that was listed on there. I'm gonna do my chin as well. So it said to, I went ahead and read the instructions, and it said to put the temperature like 150 to 180, and then you want to look for a honey consistency. So I'm just reading now to see how much I should put in here. I know that a lot of people, like if they don't use it all, they just warm it up and then it's fine. So if it's too much, I'll just do that. So it has taken 7 minutes for this to melt down. It does say to have it on high, and it goes from 160 to 240, and it says to have it on high until it melts down, and then you can decrease it to your temperature. I have it on about 165 or so. I can kind of show you the consistency. I have it. You don't want it like you don't want it, if you are new to waxing, you don't want it super thin. You want it kind of thick, so that honey consistency. And I'm probably gonna do like a patch test on my wrist or on my arm, just to see what I'm getting myself into. Cause I cannot take pain, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to get my husband to do my armpits, cause I can't bear pulling it down by myself. So from my understanding, so there's like a light, an on and off light, and so it's orange when it's all the way up to 240, and when it gets to that temperature, and then when I put it down to 160, the light went off. But as far as the instructions say, it will only turn back on whenever it's reheating. Otherwise it'll stay at that temperature that you have it set at, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just gonna do kind of a patch test on my arm real fast, and I'm just twirling it around. And I didn't use all the wax. I still have a good bit left. I probably did like maybe two handful and a half, something like that, because I'm just doing my armpits and my chin. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Okay, so I have it right here, and I feel it's tight. And then you don't pull it off. Don't pull it off until it is not. If you notice it's not sticky anymore, then it's ready to pull off. And then you want to pull your skin taut, so pull it tight and then rip it off. And you want to apply it the way that the hair is growing and pull it off the opposite direction. I noticed it's kind of hard to do under your armpits, so Okay. I'm rubbing over it now and it's not sticky anymore, so I'm gonna pull it back and pull. Some hairs on there. Okay, cool. So like for real. So pretty much I'm leaving the temperature on like 190, and then that's giving me good results. So I'm about to try to do my armpit. I'm kind of scared, I ain't gonna lie, but we about to try to do it anyways. I just don't want it to hurt. It's not too hot at all. I just don't want it to hurt. Okay. And it's hard to see which way the hair is growing too. Dang. I'm scared. It doesn't take very long to dry though. But I'm just trying to make sure it's dry because I ain't trying to do this. I ain't trying to do it too many times over and over again. Ooh, I can't do it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ooh, that hurt. That hurt, that hurt, that hurt. Ooh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. That looks weird. Okay. I did it, y'all. So let me just see if I can keep it going. Dang. I'm not doing enough. I gotta do more. That one was kind of hot. I gotta turn it down now. thing got me singing in here. Ooh, I'm getting tired already. It looks so weird on here, y'all. Okay. Ooh, my arm's tired. It's dry. I'm just scared. Ooh. That hurts. That hurts. That's a lot of hair, man. That hurts. I have gotten waxed before and they said if it bleeds, that's a good sign because that means it's getting it from the root. So it is bleeding in one spot. Ooh. Ooh, I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Y'all, I'm doing this armpit, but I don't know if I can keep torturing myself like this. I have to get my husband to do it for real. Okay. I'm hoping I'm doing this and then after a while it don't hurt no more. Y'all, I'll be back when I finish this arm. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm officially done with all the waxing. I did go ahead and do both armpits as well as the chin, which you guys saw. I'm not even gonna lie, the armpits freaking hurt, but has nothing to do with the Femiro waxing kit, but everything to do with me and my pain tolerance. I used about 24 strips, and I did like small strips like under my armpits. Like, well, this isn't small, but maybe like a medium size under my armpit, and I don't have any left. And I told you guys I used that handful or maybe a handful and a half of the pink beads, waxing beads. And so that's all gone. I can kind of show you here. That's all that's left. And so yeah, if you guys are looking for a quick and cost-effective way to wax at home while you're in quarantine or while you're, just to save some extra coins, whatever the case is, I would definitely recommend this. I would give it a 10 out of 10, to be honest. I probably won't do any more sugar waxing at home just because it's too much, like I said, up and down with the temperature and all that. So yeah, I'll probably try to put this in the link in the description for you guys if y'all are interested. Thank you so much for watching. There will definitely be more reviews to come, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!